Welcome back to Global Top 7, the spot where we rank the world's craziest, most mind-blowing lists. Today, we are counting down the top 7 wealthiest football players in the world. We are talking net worth, endorsement empires, private jets, and business moves that go way beyond the pitch. These guys do not just score goals, they score millions off the field, too. Hit that like button if you're ready to get shocked. Subscribe for fresh Top 7 every week, and let us jump right in. Number 7. Kylian Mbappe, the youngest on this list, but already worth around $150 to $180 million. This French superstar moved to Real Madrid and earns over $100 million a year between salary and sponsorships. Nike made him the face of their entire global campaign. And here's the crazy part. He's only in his mid-20s. Just imagine where this guy will be at 35. The ceiling for Mbappe does not exist. Number 6. David Beckham. Net worth around $450 million. And here's the wild part. He earns more money now than when he was actually playing football. He co-owns Inter Miami, which crossed $1 billion in value after signing Messi. Add deals with Adidas, Maserati, and Tudor watches on top of that. Beck's turned good looks and incredibly smart business moves into a full financial empire. Respect. Number 5. Neymar Jr. Around $350 million in net worth. His 2017 move from Barcelona to PSG was the most expensive transfer in football history, 222 million euros. Then Saudi Arabia came calling with a contract worth $300 million. And this is where it gets absolutely crazy. Neymar had access to a private Boeing 747 worth $220 million with a golden throne-like seat inside. A throne on a plane? Only Neymar could pull that off. Number 4. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, the man who once said, "I do not do auditions," worth around $190 million. He played for Barcelona, AC Milan, PSG, Manchester United, and LA Galaxy. Practically collected the biggest clubs on earth like trophies. Sponsorship deals with Nike, Volvo, and H&M. He even launched his own mobile game called Zlatan Legends. Because of course he did. Nobody is more Zlatan than Zlatan. Number 3. Lionel Messi, the greatest of all time. 8 Ballon d'Or trophies and a net worth of around $850 million. His move to Inter Miami was not just a career decision, it was a business explosion. His contract included Adidas profit sharing and royalties from Apple's MLS broadcast deal. He also owns MIM Hotels, the Messi store, and a sports drink brand called Mass Plus. From the streets of Rosario to nearly a billionaire, the story of Messi is truly unbelievable. Number 2. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ladies and gentlemen, football's very first billionaire. Over $1.4 billion in net worth, the highest of any footballer who has ever played this sport. His Al Nassr contract alone is reportedly worth over $400 million with bonuses. Then add the CR7 brand. Hotels, gyms, fragrances, clothing, a full global empire built with his own 2 hands. And with 900 million Instagram followers, a single post from Ronaldo earns him millions. That is not a following, that is a currency. And number 1, this is the one nobody sees coming. The wealthiest footballer on the planet is someone most people have never even heard of on a football pitch. It's Faik Bokia, net worth over $20 billion. Why? Because he's the nephew of the Sultan of Brunei, one of the richest royal families in the entire world. He's a real professional footballer who plays for the Brunei national team, but his club salary, just $35,000 a year. While Ronaldo earns that in about 3 minutes, Faik simply doesn't need it. He has castles, a collection of supercars, multiple private jets, and more personal wealth than the entire economy of some countries. The richest footballer alive, and football is honestly just his hobby. And that's your top 7 wealthiest football players in the world. From a young French superstar still building his empire to a Bruneian royal who treats the beautiful game like a weekend pastime. The money in football is truly on another level. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments right now. Are you Team Ronaldo or Team Messi for the greatest of all time? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a ranking. Next week could be the top 7 most expensive football transfers or the top 7 fastest players ever. Global Top 7, ranking the world together. See you soon.